Hello everyone. So in this session, we are going to discuss or we are going to study analysis of two circles. That is, we will be discussing that if two circles intersect or not intersect or they touch externally or they touch internally, then what are the number of common tangents, and also we will find the equation of common tangent and length of direct and indirect common tangent. Also we will study what is the difference between direct and indirect common tangent. So let us begin with the case 1 first and the most basic case, right? So case 1 is when two circles are given and they are not intersecting each other, also they are lying outside of each other. So this is the case, and for right now I am taking a case where the two circles are not their radii are not equal, right? So we have two circles. Let the circle be O1 with center C1, or let the circle be C1 with center O1. Okay, circle C1 with center O1, and there will be the other circle C2 with center O2. Fine. It is clearly observable that that difference between their center, that is O1 O2 is clearly, O1 O2 is distance between their centers O1 and O2. O1 O2 is clearly greater than sum of their radii, that is O1 O2 is greater than R1 plus R2, right? Now what we can observe over here, we can form four common tangents, right? Four common tangents between these two circles. How? Let us see. The two tangents that I am drawing with pink color, right? Let us name this tangent by AB. Fine. So this is AB. Let us say this is CD. Fine. CD. So this is CD. Okay. So this CD and AB, they are termed as indirect common tangent or transverse common tangent. Fine. So AB and CD, they are indirect common tangent. Fine. Indirect common tangent. Or we also call them as transverse common tangent. Transverse. I will also differentiate why we name it as indirect, and the other two are called other two. In this, we will be able to make two direct common tangent, and what is the difference between direct and indirect, we will study. So these are two indirect common tangent, right? And there are two direct common tangent that I am drawing with blue color, right? So let us say this blue line, we name it as PQ. So this PQ, fine. And let us draw one more line. We can draw one more line. This is, let us say, RS. So this PQ and RS, they are called as direct common tangent. So this PQ and RS, I hope it is clear. PQ and RS, it is visible. PQ and RS are direct common tangent. Fine. Now let us understand what is the difference. What is the difference between this direct and indirect common tangent, right? See, you can clearly observe that for this AB and CD, O1 and O2 are lying on different sides, on opposite side. You know ना कि एक line होती है, ठीक है? For a line, we have a line divides a plane into three parts, right? Fine. So a point lying on the boundary, on the line itself, right? And above and below the line. Fine. So O1, it lies below AB. O2, it lies above AB. So they both, O1 O2 are lying on the opposite sides of AB. Similarly, for CD also, O2 and O1, they are lying on the opposite sides. Fine. So for indirect common tangent, centers lie. We should write this down, right? So for indirect common tangent, centers lie on the opposite sides of a line. of tangent, right? Fine, of tangent. And for PQ and RS, O1, O2 they lie on the same side. That is, for PQ, O1, O2 they lie below the PQ. Similarly, for RS, O1, O2 they lie above the RS. So O1, O2 they lie on the same side of PQ, not on the different sides or not on the opposite side. So we should write it down that O1, O2 they lie on the same side of tangent, lie on the same side of tangent, same side of tangent. So this is the difference between direct and indirect common tangent. What we can observe over here is we have two direct common tangent and two indirect common tangent, right? So we are not done now, right, till now, right? We have to study something more important. How to find the length of this AB and CD, whether they are equal. Similarly, how to find length of PQ and RS and whether they are equal. Also, we have to find the equations of AB and CD, and same goes for PQ and RS. So let us delve deep into this. So first of all, let us understand whether AB and CD are equal and how to find their length. So first thing first, we should now study how to find the length of AB and CD and whether they are equal or not. So I am rubbing this figure and I am making it again the main part, right? So it's easy for me, right? Not easy for you. You have to make a separate figure for this. So हम PQ को rub कर देते हैं. So PQ, let us rub this PQ and RS. So we have now just AB and CD. Also we should rub this thing. Now our focus is how to whether AB and CD are equal, and if so, then how to find their length. Even if they are not, we say they will be equal, right? They will be equal. This is true. They will be equal. We will see how. So we have these two things, right? AB and CD. Okay. So we have AB and CD. They are two circles. Now what we can see, there is this point of intersection of these two tangents. Let us name it by E. Okay. Let us name it by E. What we can observe, this O1A. Let us join this O1A. I hope it is clear to everyone that O1A will be perpendicular to AB. Radius is perpendicular to tangent and point of contact. And this is equal to R1. So this is R1. Okay. Similarly, what we can observe that what we have to do, we are just making the figure, right? So join OC, it will be R1 again. Join O2D, it is R2. Join O2B, it will be R2. Okay. Now interesting thing is, if you join O1E and if you join O2E, you will be amazed to know that it will be a straight line. It will be a straight line. Okay. This can be proved. But I am not stretching it in this particular video, but this can be proved. This is not a very difficult thing, but this O1E, O2 will be a straight line. So now, if it is a straight line, we can clearly see that these two angles, they will be equal. How? Vertically opposite angle, right? Also, one more thing. This AE, these two triangles will be congruent. So AE is equal to EC. Okay. Similarly, DE is equal to EB. So students, we can easily prove that AE plus EB will be equal to DE plus EC, thus AB is equal to CD. Okay. So this is not that much कि इसमें मैं बहुत डिटेल में जाऊँ. It can be understood easily, right? ने प्रूव कर लिया. Now it can be understood easily. इसको कैसे ऐड करना है? AE में EB को ऐड करो, DE में EC को ऐड करो. Thus we can say AB is equal to CD. Fine. So this is easy. It is simple. Now how to find the length of AB or CD for that matter? How to find the length? Okay. So we can see these two angles will be equal by using concept of vertically opposite angles, right? This is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. So these two triangles are similar. Triangle O1AE is similar to triangle O2BE. Fine. O1AE is similar to O2BE. Now, what is the significance of finding this? See, what we can say, AE upon EB is equal to, AE upon EB is equal to, by using similarity, what we can say, O1A upon O2B, that is R1 upon R2. अब क्या करें, फाइंड करें तो उससे क्या, इससे ये वी कैन से AE इज इक्वल टू R1 के, या श्योर, EB इज इक्वल टू R2 के. हाँ ग्रेट. उससे क्या, एक और बात भी है, अगर हम यहां सिमिलैरिटी की बात कर रहे हैं तो भाई ये भी तो कहो कि दिस इज इक्वल टू O1E अपॉन O2E. तो उससे क्या, O1E अपॉन O2E. देखो भाई, आप इसको भी कुछ कैसे इक्वेट, आप इसको भी कुछ ऐसा कह सकते हो ना कि भाई अपना जैसे ये चीजें आ गई अपने पास, राइट. AE बाई EB इज इक्वल टू R1 बाई R2. सो AE इज इक्वल टू R1 के, EB इज इक्वल टू R2 के. फाइन. इससे हम क्या कह सकते हैं, वी कैन से दैट AB इज इक्वल टू R1 प्लस R2 इंटू K. नाउ वी हैव टू डिटरमाइन द वैल्यू ऑफ K. ये कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं हम K की वैल्यू. देखो AE को हमने R1 के कह दिया है ना, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अब हम यहाँ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का यूज कर सकते हैं. मतलब जैसे O1E है आपका, उसको हमें D की जरूरत भी बेसिकली इसमें पड़ेगी. वी ऑल्सो नीड O1 O2. तो वो हमें दे रखा होगा, यहाँ वी विल फाइंड इट आउट. कैसे, सेंटर्स हमें दे रखे होंगे, सेंटर के कोऑर्डिनेट. सो वी विल फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ O1 O2. एंड O1 O2 को फाइंड करने के बाद भी काम नहीं चलेगा, O1E और O2E हमें फाइंड करना पड़ेगा इसके टर्म में, OA और AE के टर्म में. बट ड्यू टू दी टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट मैं इसको यहीं पर ही रोक रहा हूँ. बट दिस कैन बी डिस्कस. तो हम इसको आगे फर्दर कंटिन्यू करेंगे. ठीक है, तो इस वीडियो को मैं अभी यहीं पे स्टॉप कर रहा हूँ. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू.